Meaning of inland.
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 Inland. The term inland refers to an area or region that is situated away from the coast or any large bodies of water. It is mainly used to describe locations that are located within a country or a continent that is far from any shoreline. Inland areas tend to have a different climate and geography than coastal regions, with more extreme temperatures and drier conditions being common. This often results in a different set of flora and fauna as well as cultural practices among its inhabitants. Such inland areas may include deserts, forests, grasslands, and mountain ranges.